Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. My name is Nur Izzati Laili binti Rosli, metric number C18A0502, and today I'm going to present about the face filter that I've made. So firstly, the idea and concept of the face filter. It includes issues inside, objective, and how the filter works. The issues inside for the face filter is regarding the spread of coronavirus disease COVID-19. The objective of this face filter is for the users to spread awareness about COVID-19 while using the filter and adding it to their stories. Next is how the filter works. Firstly, a face mask will appear on the user's face and a box will appear on the user's head displaying the word stop and a sentence "Let's stop the spread of coronavirus" below it. In order to trigger the filter, the user will have to tap the screen. A few images will then appear replacing the word and sentence. These images are the ways to stop the spread of coronavirus. The images will keep changing between images at a certain amount of speed. Then it will stop, showing one of the ways to stop the spread of coronavirus image. Users can record a video or take a picture of themselves while using this filter and spread awareness at the same time. There are three applications that I use in order to make the face filter. I use Canva, PixArt, and Spark AR Studio. Moving on to the design process of the face filter. Firstly, to make the face mask filter in a blank project, I added a face tracker and a face mesh into the project. After adding the face mesh, I click on the plus material to add a new material. For the shader type, I change the shader to blended. After the shader type is changed, I click on the texture to add a new texture. I added the face mask picture that I made and chose it from my files. Moving on to the changing images, ways to stop coronavirus that appears on the user's head. Firstly, for the changing images, I added another face tracker to the project and moved it above the first tracker. In this face tracker, I added a plane to it. After that, I moved the plane above the head and scaled it a little bit into the way I wanted it to be. After changing the shader type of the plane to flat, in the texture box, I added a stop image that I created earlier and chose it from my files. Then, after adding another different plane, click on the plus materials to create a new material for the changing images. I changed the shader type as flat, the same as before. Click on the texture to add a new animation sequence that will be the changing images for the filter. I click on the texture and choose the images from the file. I use 8 different images for the changing images and they are the options for the filter. And the last step for the filter is to add some controls that will trigger the filter to work. Click on the view and click Show Patch Editor to work on the controls for the filter. In the patch editor is where the controls that will toggle the face filter. The controls that I use in the patch editor includes the screen tab that is connected to a switch, an offset, a loop animation, a randomizer, and more in order to make sure the filter works in just a tap. And here is the final design for the face filter. To conclude, there are many new things that I learned during the creation of the face filter. With all the unfamiliar applications and steps, numerous tutorials are needed to understand the process, and experimenting with something that I have never done before. But after the face filter is published, it is an extremely rewarding feeling. Seeing people using the face filter on their Instagram and sharing the face filter is very rewarding. Finally, throughout the project, there is plenty of experience and new knowledge that I gained. I truly hope that this filter will benefit society some way or another. Finally, don't forget to check out the filter on my Instagram. And thank you for watching the video. That's all from me. Thank you.